Hello everyone, I am Cleverfly, and this column Cleverfly's advice. And advice to you today: play to your strengths. You will be good in certain aspects in life and terrible in others. Find out what you are good at, then make it a priority in every station you can. The first task in the exercise is to collect feedback from a variety of people inside and outside work. By gathering input from a variety of sources, family members, past and present colleagues, friends, teachers, and so on, you can develop a much broader and richer understanding of yourself than you can from a standard performance evaluation. Knowing your strengths also offers you a better understanding of how to deal with your weaknesses and helps you gain the confidence you need to address them. It allows you to say, "I'm great at leading but lousy at numbers. So rather than teach me remedial math, get me a good finance partner." It also allows you to be clearer in addressing your areas of weaknesses as a manager. Once you discover who you are at the top of your game, you can use your strengths to better shape the position you choose to play, both now and in the next phase of your career. I hope this advice helps your life. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!